Welcome to our video guide on using the Compare Report module. With this tool, you can analyze and compare sales data across different periods and sales channels to better understand your store's performance. Let's begin. After a successful installation, head to the Reports and Compare Report tabs within the admin area. This is where you configure the report parameters. To filter the data by sales channel, check the box next to the sales channel you want to analyze. Next, choose the reporting period from the drop-down list. You can generate reports on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, depending on the level of detail you need. After that, set the day's depth value. This determines how many days before the current date will be included in the report. Once all parameters are configured, click Update to generate the report. Now let's review the results. The report displays statistics across several key sections, including sales, tax, and payment type. These sections allow you to compare performance across different time periods and identify trends in revenue, taxation, and payment methods. If you need to export the report for further analysis, you can easily do that. Select the required export format, CSV or XLS, and click Export. The report file will be downloaded directly to your device. And that's it. You're now ready to analyze, compare, and export sales data using the Compare Report module. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to leave a like. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next tutorials.